Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares. Today I will share a series of Willow products to you here, including Willow box, Willow basket, and Willow hampers. Recent years, we are adding new features to our Willow products to make it not only functional use but also well decorated, such as the tassels, pom-poms. So let's pick up some featured items. Let's look at this small side, round side. I really like the round one. The size is top diameter 35 and height 25. The medium one, top diameter 30 and the height 21. The small one, top diameter 34, the height 18. All the Willow basket size, the liner is removable.